Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to fix the screen flickering issue on VIVO X300 Pro smartphone. First of all, you can adjust the screen brightness either in the control center or in settings in the display and brightness menu. You can also enable or disable the adaptive screen brightness. In settings, you have to go to display brightness and eye protection and adjust brightness here, and you can also set the custom brightness. You can enable it if the environment is not too bright. You can also go to accessibility settings let's search for accessibility. Shortcuts in accessibility, and here you can enable the extra dim for your screen and adjust the brightness level. And alternatively, you can also download the screen dimmer application from the Play Store. So let's find it. This one from VIVO. I'm not sure if I pronounced this right, but anyway, wait until this application is downloaded, then open it and give it all the permissions. So ground the first one by switching this toggle to the right, and then this one by swiping down to the bottom of accessibility menu. Then go to screen dimmer and allow it the accessibility settings. Wait for 10 seconds to allow, and then also grant the last permission to send you a notification, and now enable this service. And now you can customize the screen brightness using this application. If the problem persists, you can go to settings, swipe down to system update, make sure that you have internet connection on your device, and update your system to the latest version that is available for now. And so that's basically it for this video. I hope that it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.